Every day, we all seek ways to enhance our lives, hoping for that stroke of luck that will bring everything together. But what if I told you that you could move beyond relying on luck? Imagine taking control of your destiny, crafting the life you want by simply choosing your words carefully. Today, we look into the law of attraction, exploring how the deliberate use of words can not only change your mindset, but manifest your deepest desires into reality. This isn't about chance, it's about choice. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to use specific affirmations daily to actively shape your future. The law of attraction isn't just a mystical belief or a magical ideology. It's a principle backed by the power of positive thinking. This concept hinges on the idea that like attracts like. Positive thoughts bring positive results, and negative thoughts bring negative outcomes. But there's more to it than just thinking positively. It's about setting a frequency of abundance and success and tuning your mind to resonate with what you truly desire. Affirmations, simple yet powerful phrases, are the tools we use to direct this frequency. Repeated daily, these affirmations reinforce your mental and emotional energy, aligning your thoughts with your actions. The process of repeating affirmations is akin to exercising a muscle. Just as physical exercise strengthens the body, affirmations strengthen your mental resilience and focus your intent. Why do words have such power? Every word we speak carries a vibration, a small ripple in the vast pond of our universe. These vibrations impact our feelings, our actions, and how we perceive the world around us. When you repeatedly say something, you begin to believe it. Your mind adjusts to accommodate this new information, seeing opportunities where once there might have been obstacles. For instance, consider the impact of repeatedly telling yourself, "I am capable and strong." Initially, it may feel forced or insincere, but over time, as you internalize this affirmation, it begins to manifest in your actions. You might take on challenges you previously avoided or find resilience in stressful situations, proof that your external world can change based on your internal dialogue. By understanding the foundational role of words in our psyche, we can harness them to sculpt our lives intentionally. Instead of waiting for good fortune to find us, we use affirmations to create it, drawing the experiences we desire closer to us. Through conscious repetition of positive, empowering phrases, we transform our mental landscape one word at a time. While many might believe that luck is a force that randomly showers people with good fortune, the truth is that we have the power to create our own luck. The concept of luck being a serendipitous, uncontrollable force is a common misconception. In contrast, the law of attraction teaches us that luck can actually be a created force, something that is summoned through deliberate and focused intention. This realization can be liberating. Rather than waiting passively for things to happen, you can actively participate in shaping your own destiny. The practice of repeating affirmations is key in this process. Each affirmation you repeat is like planting a seed of intentional energy, cultivating a garden of prosperous and positive outcomes. As you align your daily thoughts and words with the outcomes you desire, the so-called luck begins to appear more frequently. It's not by chance, it's by choice. Before you can effectively use affirmations, it is crucial to prepare your mind to receive and nurture them. This preparation ensures that the affirmations take root and flourish, bringing about the desired changes in your life. Start by creating a calm and receptive mental environment each day. You might begin with a few minutes of quiet meditation or breathing exercises to clear your mind of clutter and reduce stress. This helps in creating a focused and present mindset, an essential foundation for affirmations to work effectively. Additionally, keeping a journal can be a transformative habit. It allows you to record your thoughts, track your progress with affirmations, and reflect on your mental shifts over time. This practice not only reinforces the affirmations, but also encourages a daily review of the goals and desires you are working toward. By jotting down your experiences, you become more attuned to the subtle changes in your surroundings and your reactions to them, enhancing your mindfulness and the efficacy of your affirmations. To harness the full potential of affirmations, it's essential to craft them not just correctly, but effectively. Effective affirmations are clear, positive, present tense statements that embody the reality you wish to create. The key to their power lies in simplicity and personal relevance, making them resonate with your deepest desires and current needs. Begin by focusing on what you want to attract or manifest in your life. Phrases should be structured positively and in the present tense, as if what you desire is already happening. For example, instead of saying, "I will be successful," affirm, "I am successful." This subtle linguistic shift reinforces the belief that the desired state is not just a future possibility, but a present reality. Keep your affirmations short and memorable. Long, complicated statements can be harder to recall and less likely to make a deep impression on your subconscious mind. A succinct affirmation is easy to repeat and can be recalled effortlessly throughout the day. Once your affirmations are crafted, the next crucial step is integrating them into your daily life so that they become a natural part of your routine. Consistency is key in this process, as it helps to reinforce the messages and deepen their impact over time. One effective method is to incorporate affirmations into your morning routine. As you wake up, spend a few moments reciting your affirmations aloud. This practice sets a positive tone for the day and aligns your thoughts with your intentions from the start. Likewise, you can use affirmations as a tool to refocus and re-energize during midday, or use them to wind down in the evening, reflecting on the affirmations as you prepare for sleep. Another integration technique is to place affirmation reminders in visible locations around your living or workspaces, such as on bathroom mirrors, computer monitors, or refrigerators. These visual cues can serve as prompts to repeat your affirmations, keeping your goals and aspirations at the forefront of your mind throughout the day. By crafting affirmations effectively and integrating them into daily routines, you create a powerful, ongoing dialogue with your subconscious. This dialogue is what transforms your inner narrative, reshapes your perceptions, and gradually manifests the reality you desire. As we progress in this video, we'll look at how to overcome skepticism and enhance the potency of your affirmations, ensuring that they lead to tangible, positive changes in your life. Skepticism and doubt are common challenges that many face. when beginning to use affirmations. It's natural to question whether simply stating phrases can truly bring about change in your life. To overcome these feelings, it's crucial to understand the science of neuroplasticity, which explains how consistent thoughts and practices can rewire the brain. This understanding can reinforce your commitment to the process by acknowledging that change is not only possible, but supported by evidence. To further combat skepticism, maintain a commitment to your practice, even when immediate results aren't apparent. Patience plays a vital role here, as transformations do not happen overnight. Reaffirm your dedication by regularly reminding yourself of the reasons you started using affirmations. A mental shift from doubt to determination can significantly enhance the effectiveness of your affirmations, turning them into a powerful catalyst for change. Providing specific examples of affirmations can help guide you in crafting phrases that align with your personal aspirations. I will share some general affirmations to consider. I am confident and competent in my abilities. I attract positive energy and opportunities today. I am surrounded by abundance in all areas of my life. I am at peace with my past and looking forward to the future. Every day, in every way, I am becoming better and better. Each of these statements is designed to reinforce self-esteem, attract positive circumstances, enhance personal growth, and maintain a forward-thinking mindset. You are encouraged to adjust these affirmations to better fit your specific needs and goals. Remember, the most powerful affirmations are those that resonate deeply with your personal experiences and aspirations. Tracking the impact of your affirmations is vital for understanding their effectiveness and knowing when adjustments may be needed. To effectively measure progress, start by setting clear, measurable goals related to your affirmations. For instance, if your affirmation is about increasing confidence, you might measure progress by the number of new challenges you take on or the feedback you receive in professional settings. Keep a journal to record your experiences and feelings associated with each affirmation. Note any changes, no matter how small, in your behavior, mood, or life circumstances that might correlate with your affirmation practice. This record will serve as tangible evidence of how your thoughts influence your reality and provide insight into the pace and direction of your personal growth. If you find that an affirmation isn't having the desired effect, consider tweaking its wording or the frequency of its use. Sometimes affirmations need to be more aligned with your true feelings or adjusted to reflect new goals as you evolve. The key is to remain flexible and responsive to your own development. We've explored the transformative power of affirmations and how you can utilize them to shape a more positive and intentional life. Remember, the words you repeat influence the life you live. I encourage you to start using affirmations daily, observe the changes they bring, and adjust as you grow. If this video has provided you with valuable insights, please like and share it so others can also benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content that can empower you on your journey to personal growth and fulfillment. Let's continue to create our destinies together with each word we choose. Thank you for watching, and keep nurturing your best self.